Menteri Ketenat Khajana ke Sorkar Jela, James K. Sangma hakasingin ningkong, ula bente basyan Ketenat Khajana kan salum mikinong yalam niam baro banyatai sani halor kajings ngo kia jungki, kabayade baka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpaway, badru halor ka Khalai Casino hakajela. Menteri hapakran bakilar pathai khubor ula ongru bakade ka benta joka Sorkar ban sngap, yakinu kinu kisur jings ngo kia jung kinu kikenhon, ba mi khmat yakibalang. Hakaju kapor ulapan paru ya kajing sngolem halor kajing ja kabaki no hikai kontrak ki ma dangshen. Amla ban sngutu ya kajuban nguit pri jaka Sorkar MDA kabalapan bena balapan sange ya ka Khalai Casino katba mentapat kadang kwa ban wanra ya kanika Khalai hakanika jela. Hatu ramdan kam manyakren haba larai banumanra ya ka Khalai Casino.
I think that I appreciate the concerns of the forum. And I think that it's very important for us as a government to listen to any voice of concern that comes up by a group which represents the church. And I would like to also tell you this, that I will be setting up a meeting to discuss this issue with them and to see how we can take things forward. No, I think that it was uncalled for any kind of force used on not just teachers but any section of society who wants to peacefully protest. I think it's very uncalled for and very unfortunate. It should not have happened.